Over the years, while researching and exploring, I have come across many sites that we still don't have complete information about. So in this compilation, you will see 3 such sites. Some of the details might be inaccurate, and I appreciate any insights you might have about these locations. These are sites I plan to revisit in the future with more accurate details and clearer information. Thanks for your feedback, and stay tuned for updates as I continue to explore and learn about these fascinating sites. Yeah, peeps, so we just got some information about where to find a part of the water wheel, either the water wheel or the slave mansion. I think it was a slave residence, not a mansion, but we have some information as to how to find the water wheel. We actually know where it is, but we have to call somebody inside of the yard first, so follow me. Hello? 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 Yeah guys, so them say we can go on, so we are going. So peeps, yeah, as we heard, there was a piece of the construction in this yard, so we are trying to find it. Yeah, true enough. Yeah guys, a piece of the wall, and it's a piece of the water wheel, because the shape part, you know, is a water wheel. But what I'm not understanding, guys, is this is like 4 different constructions in one. What is that, church out of the sun, church sign there?
Look like it's a school or a church.
So this is a piece of the wall, and let me see if there's any more over there. And this here, oh yeah, here guys, it is it, it is it. So it seems that this was actually a tunnel. This is an entrance. Guys, this here was a tunnel, you know guys. This was a tunnel, and this was deliberately blocked up, if you notice. This was deliberately blocked up for what reason? I'm not sure, but this is a tunnel, guys. It was actually built as a tunnel. Now, I'm not sure. I think this is a part of the water wheel, or this leads back up to the water wheel, because it was a very big water wheel. I put on a screenshot on the screen with the map. It was a very big water wheel, guys. A very humongous water wheel. So guys, this construction actually runs right back up there. This was a tunnel. This house is built atop that. Or it was an entrance and it was filled up to build that house. I'm not sure. But guys, we'll see if we can find the rest site and making you see that. This is an apartheid. This is a modern construction. So follow me guys and let us see if we can find the rest of it. And guys, if we actually find this water wheel, if this is not the water wheel and we actually find it, this should be one of the largest water wheels we have ever found, because on the map it's really huge. Alright, so now follow me. What part else I said? What part else I said? Alright, yeah man. So if we never did acquire the vehicle and we never did a drive, and you see how to the hard, how far we have to walk. Really appreciate it guys. Thanks again.
Give me a punch.
Yo, give me underpants and me shirt, me shampoo, and me rub. Hey, little girl.
An argument that I need to pick that up.
No, no.
Okay, go cross the river and go up. That them, sir? Don't make us stay down.
No, me I do over this one.
Go cross the river and go up.
Go on.
Don't stay for that, the man, sir.
I never hear if him say we for go cross, me just hear him say we for go up the river. I ask anybody who will sip on the river this part.
Yeah, put them in. Put them in. Yeah guys, we get whole heap of different direction. We just try one of the track them and see if at the right place. So that we are do. If not, we have to turn back and go the next way. Follow me. Left him say, isn't it? Now take to them idea. No, don't drop another. Yeah. So guys, we're fine inside. I'm not even sure yet. But I'm going to check. Akeem, what do you think, right?
Look so.
So, this should
Yeah.
be the,
Look like it, man.
this should be the next entrance to the water wheel.
Look like it. The stone them show me say.
A stone or block them there.
Stone.
Somebody built on top of the concrete.
Yeah.
The construction. Yeah.
Look here. Stone. And
Yeah,
these
peeps.
stone.
Here peeps, this is the wall for true. This is a part of the construction.
I want to show you something on them stone there. People build on top of the construction.
Yeah. What do you want here? Show them that. Lovely view.
That's a lovely view too. Can see me out here. Yeah. Alright. Let's travel around. Huh?
Yeah, peeps. It seems as if, some of these places have become residential neighborhoods over the years. So, it's hard to really find a complete structure in our residential neighborhood. You notice how going at the bush them, we find the structure them, but in our residential neighborhood the people build it hard. Because if you notice the people all build back upon the construction. Because they start to stir the construction and they have one deep hole right there, so who wouldn't build? Who would have build right there? So let me know. Because I can bet everybody would have built a house right there, so with a nice deep hole out there. So you can tie a rope on the tree and swim, go over there. Even if you can't swim, you know, you would have one of the most beautiful splash of your life, the last one. But anyway, we still have a search to see if we find more construction on the next side, because we saw a piece of wall which we think is a part of this structure. So we're going to find it. I never put the laptop in the car because I take it out and then people ask me to put it back in the car, so I never want to leave it in the car. So I'm bringing it to me. I'm there in a bush, so I'm going to look for and try to keep safe. Follow me, please. Nice, you know?
Yeah, they take a swim.
No, you know I'm afraid of water.
No, you can't jump off.
No, you know I'm afraid of water.
No, I know that, but you still can jump off, alright?
Water, I'm going to buffle you out.
Ah.
Let me drop over this so I don't come back. You know, sir. I don't know if this was there before, but any of them construction, this is original construction.
Yeah.
This reminds me of the house of a New Monkland. The German.
Yeah, them built on top of it, you know, because as I can see up there was red rock, or red oak, or whatever they call that thing.
But
what
this,
them use, but
this is a part of the water wheel. Yeah, man. Go over this, go over this. Go on. Hold on.
Bo. That's on camera, you know.
About what me just cost, I love the thing about it here. Guys, with the right front of the thing I want to see, look there. Look that thing? At the wall that, you know, see the original wall, come there, so with that. Peeps, that is the original wall right there. When you see the original wall, the peeps, that's the original wall of the water wheel. Alright, so that was just a part of the construction, like one little officer or something they built, and then somebody built on top of it. Look here, peeps, how perfect are these? How perfect are these? Yo, come here, come here. Oh, guys, it was a spillway, Akim. Watch out. Guys, we find a spillway. Again, we find a spillway. One side of the concrete, one side of the concrete. I don't know if me dig here, so I find the step them. So this run go round to the water wheel. This run go round to the water wheel. Look at it now coming. You know, so a trouble coming. No?
Yeah.
So that run go around to the water wheel. So we have followed that structure. Hear them. This is the wall again.
Yeah.
Because guys, as I told you, this should have been one of the largest water wheels we would have found.
This small wall, yeah. And the step.
Yeah, the step that. Hold up. Hold on. Don't go down. Flip, just keep flipping.
Peace, man, the water. Peace, man, the water. Water don't come right here, peeps. See?
Yeah, tell the people and some people are coming out and walk around.
Yeah, peeps. Some people are coming. One bag of man and we don't know how.
Alright, guys, this is the next piece of the aqueduct. You know, it says aqueduct with a
Yeah,
walk on.
yeah.
You show them that. You see that, no?
Yeah. Yeah, peeps.
That's a piece of the aqueduct. And I guess the water wheel was right down here because this is the gully. I want to know already the code, the gully, the water wheel. But that's a piece of it. So yeah, right on back now.
Turn back, come in.
So peeps, I don't think it's safe because I see about 5 people a while ago come down from the river, 5 men. Good construction.
Yeah, see. I show peeps.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, yeah. Same construction I want. I come back round car. Yeah, we can walk. Yeah. No, I don't think so. No.
Come on.
We can walk there.
Yeah, peeps. This was a very large water wheel. And water wheel is after that. But we won't be able to find everything because of time. We need to again by about 400 years. Yeah, peeps, we're late by about 400 years to find this one. So I don't think we're gonna find a lot, but we still go out of the front, we'll see if we find more. So follow me.
Oh, peeps, that's the skill of Alex, right? And don't splashing in the water this time. You hear that screaming like a cow? Flame, see me? Flame?
So peeps, yeah, flame though. So peeps, we saw that there was a large water wheel up there, and I showed a screenshot type on the map. The copied up the story, we heard from a man who was about 60 and him saying born from here about it. Not sure how much information we can get, it's minutes to 5. We'll go back out on the front out of the next wall and see if we can find that. Now follow me peeps, now tell me tired. Can you imagine if we'd have to walk? Oh God.
Flame come straight.
So guys, the fan, what we did actually worry about, the fan we did actually worry about, it never did a spin. From we get the car, the fan never did a spin, so we could have mashed up the engine anyway. That's start out now, and we not fix the brake light yet because we never have the money for the switch, but we get hazard lights, so you know we can work with that till for next day we can go back. So yeah, really appreciate the help guys, really do appreciate the help. And for those who want to donate, there is a PayPal link that I'm going to share in the description under this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for your donations, it really helps. Alright, follow me.
Sorry, money drop on the ground. Camera, walk round camera. Hit that body.
Yeah, what you say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Talk here, talk.
I say nothing.
Yeah peeps, so I don't know why Trinity people have a problem to get water in the pipes. You have pipe run from like years now and the water never coming out of the pipe yet. When we have these are the pipeline peeps, the big pipeline will bring the water, it all bust with the pressure will spray out water out tight. So this is not part of the vlog peeps, this not have nothing to do with the history, but how comes we can't have no water at Trintyville when this happen? I don't think about that. Anyway peeps, so reach back on the river, it's a beautiful sight, like wow, look on the scenery up there, so it's such a beautiful sight guys, but Tafford up there so I drink water, so I'll catch him and drink the river water. Want a picture? Come over here, son. We are going to put in the water.
Mine are putting us in a blood clot.
Nah, yeah, film that. You film that? You can't film that, yo. I be shoes wet and my socks wet. Yeah, film that. Peeps, when I come on the road, as you guys know, I expect to drop in the water. I expect wasps to bite me. I expect cow to run me down. I expect anything. So, it's all fun. I love it. I'm enjoying every moment of it. And follow me. No come. Stop, sit down now. Come.
Okay, so they're back on the river again, you know? Yeah. Continue journey. Okay, it's a water pipe that busting in and start the water saying, can drink, you know? Hashtag pan water like, as I did tell you know. Mango and water that's on the road. Life.
You have to start there. You know?
Captain.
No.
You want to tell me, sir? I know for 50 years I feel like that,
Cherry.
Come on. Yeah, peeps, so we're up our way ahead towards the Shelly Castle, and we just hope we find it because Tapasla asked question. We're not sure if we're going to find nothing remaining of the Shelly Castle, but y'all can research it. It's in Somerset.
Peeps. Some deep woods here, but you know, Hakim attack peeps. You know, no must know my advice. Yeah, some deep woods here, but you.
And 2 power bank you have? No. The phone now dead one time. Not in 3 days to the jungle. And this alone can charge the power bank. And this will charge the power bank, run the hot plate. And this will charge the power bank, run the hot plate, run the fan, run the satellite, run the computer.
the power bank, did I my phone full? I'm going to charge up my power bank.
Yeah. After this, no. Yeah, then this will charge the power bank after. Yes, so peeps, we have a solar charger, and Tafa debate whether or not in power bank are dead. I tell them say when you go across Portland for 3 days, in power bank are dead.
Peeps. I tell them. Tafa say I have a power bank, yo.
Yeah.
And you know, I'm going to ask him a question if in bank can use the power, because we're there in some deep woods right now. For
Peeps, you know, I like that journey. You know, I like that journey. Guess why I like that journey, Tafa? Guess why? Why? Guess no? Just guess no? No, guess. Now I'll sit down. Guess. No, I don't know that. I don't wish for cool shade, bro. No, it's a far vlog. I'm going to go somewhere I don't know. I'm going to feel like I'm lost. But I have a compass provided by Blavor with their solar compatibility charger. It's provided by Blavor. You can get your Blavor charger at the website provided by Blavor. I'm not advertise for them.
Yeah.
Peeps, look on this. A piece of the house, listen up, peeps. And you see how far in the bush there? And the one tougher now, when you look for me, look for me. The one tougher now, he might trick me. Because he reach and he know the place. And he must say how far away I go. But me there I say no, it can't be far because this is a gully. You see the gully? And that's the river out there so. So if the gully there so and the river out there so we know the building must be near. And then just as me stand up and call Hakeem to come film, you see this and this peeps. Come on the side and take a picture. Peeps, this is no. Oh, this is no regular foundation. This peeps are ancient pre-colonial, way back then, pre-colonial Spanish castle. This is from the Spanish that were the Maroons. You see how I walk a while ago? And this is the Maroon them walk. You see how far the people them come to get out of trouble? And the Spanish them still follow them. For no reason at all. And I know the Maroons have never built structures out of stuff like this. Alright, so I know it was a Spanish castle. But otherwise from that, I've got the information that this castle was built under the Spanish, because why it isn't listed is because it was only under the English where the names of the castles and the great houses start listed, because in Spanish I want to talk Spanish. So there were no records kept. So fine, a great fine. I'm not even reach yet, but I know something great. I'm just fine. Peeps, you follow me, please. Them video, I'm not even the. What up, no, I'm film.
Yeah, peeps,
No,
a piece more.
Suspense.
The world is a peeps.
Big man thing, I'm not even reach up the street and I tell you, say, yo.
Come right up a piece
Sometimes
more.
I
The
stop
house
this,
is a peeps.
big man thing, I tell you.
Yeah,
Yo, it's not even about
piece
money.
more.
Big man thing.
Come right up.
Because we don't understand how people feel try avoid oppression and I run for go up and some.
And this look at track where we have to go. Peeps. See there.
Peeps. Me not understand. Peeps. Me not understand how people oppress people and them run from all the way to Portland, Port Morant Bay, Seafort, York, Blue Mountain Road. Come up here so in the bush. And they still run them down. Just for make a name, just for enslave them. It don't make no sense. Why want to do that? The land of everybody, we are free people walking up on a free land. Watch out. I step this now. This is the Spanish castle where the people them build. This is apartheid. You see, them oppress the people them and run them down and catch them, but still them never feel secure. So them have to build some construction. Them have to build some construction where no ordinary, because they were scared. Walls. Up in the middle of nowhere, up in the bush. Walls. From a 16th century Spanish castle. Come on. Watch your peeps. Walls. Nobody not come them place your peeps. Walls from a 16th century Spanish castle. Why them do that? Look here peeps. It's a column, you know. And that's why the goddamn house tumble down and look like that. This is the next step. Right here. So let's see what I go on. We'll find it. This was a Spanish castle. I mean, I have nothing to glorify about the Spanish castle here or nothing at all. It's just that the fact that we found it and we say, yo, yesterday be there. This is not like a great house or anything like that. This is a Spanish castle. It's a piece more the construction of it. Way up in the bush. Them the coward, you know. Them the coward. So them oppress the people, but still them have to come way up in the bush, come build them castle them and hide. This is a castle. Not a great house, but a castle that was built here. That's a piece of the wall. Take me a picture. So, you know, you see the water wheel that we found up in Monklands, that really show we how a water wheel was set up. The great house up in Monklands, that really show we how a great house was set up. The hanging tree show how our ancestors got through. But with all of that, we never encounter the evidence so we can really see what the Spanish them do. We found a Spanish castle here in Wakefield. A Wakefield it named though? Over Moffat. Yeah, we found a Spanish castle in Wakefield. But there wasn't any evidence of what they did. We hear say, oh, Mr. Bowles were own the Spanish castle because you know we have their names and we can call them names because yo, we're legal to call them names. Back in 1836, Mr. Bowles owned the Wakefield castle. You see that man? When he used him slave them, him no pass them on to other plantation or sell them. Him kill them when them can't work no more. There are reports of slaves buried along with their kids. I talk about 3-year-old with shackles upon them foot and upon them hand. And now this is another Spanish castle. Over here so I feel weird like over there, so, but I tell you, yo, this them thing hurt me. And even though I find the water will like give me information on the great house and the hanging tree, you see that one here? This have me away because it seems like the one at Wakefield and people that do something wrong, yo. You understand? You see, with the slave plantations, a lot of our ancestors, even though they were our ancestors, some of them sell out and sell themselves in slavery. We have to understand that too. And their king back in Africa that already sold them to slavery. But you see, I don't like the Spanish. For some reason, I don't like the Spanish. I don't even understand them language. So, I'm showing you one next piece of the house. Because it come like the what you call it, the landslide, it cover it up or something. I don't understand. Come show you next piece. So, you know the river down there, sir. Show them the river. That's the river down there, sir, piece. Alright? And this right here, our next piece of the construction. Now, as I told you guys the other day, you know, it's enough of them building our build near the river, in them type of format here. Some of them are not really house, you know. Some of them are water wheel and water mill. But this one, peeps, don't get this one mistaken. This was a Spanish castle. The Spanish them usually war with the Maroon them and then build a castle there to fortify themselves against the Maroons. Because the gullies down there where you can take a Portland. Me not like see them something here no peeps. Hakeem, come take one picture of me there. Me not going no further, take it. Yo, wall me there, but we can go further, wall me there on dog. Watch out, a wall this no. I just don't want to drop down this because that'll be my fault. Guys, you can imagine we're in the middle of the bush, in the middle of the forest, in the middle of the jungle, or whatever you guys call it. And the building here, they're in the middle of the jungle too. These things haven't been found. And then people want to tell you, say, we not to do this. Like seriously, no want to tell you, say, we not to do this.
This is out of the district completely.
This is totally out of the district. This is up in a bush. This not nowhere near no district. I will find this to the wall there. I'm up on a wall right here, so you can zoom in and see a wall me up on. Jano. Guys, you know, I don't know still no, but you see, who thinks that what we are doing enough to do it? I don't know, but God help you now. Cut. Here peeps, so you know me excited because me get excited over a piece of wall down there, so because it's not supposed to be there. Piece of wall, piece of colonial, piece of medieval wall in the middle of nowhere, in the water center, in the middle of nowhere, in no community. I'm really excited about that, but peeps, you know, so we find a great house, we find it, and it's all over the place. Like, you know, it's not really here because we can't find like a structure standing, but we find all of the evidence and the construction and everything say there. So, let me show you one little piece. Look at it. A piece of the wall, this. Up in the mix. A muck of this, you know. Zoom in on this. Mucker juke me. But anyway, peeps, this a part of the house wall. So I'm so very excited. You're not excited like me right now, no? That me I tell you so right now. Yeah, peeps, so right now we're gonna find the rest of the construction because it's all over the place. Got him? Dog, you see me I tell you, dog. Yeah, peeps. I'm yapping. So, we think either I'll find a sugar, so I'm cut up my hand. Either I'll find a sugar plantation or a ackee. I don't know if I'm used to do ackee, but I'll be ackee tree there. So either I'll find a sugar plantation or find something else. But you see this, peeps? This a piece of the pot where them used to boil sugar in. This at the top part of the pot that they had used to boil sugar in. That a part of the wall of the house. Yeah, peeps, this is another pot that they had normally boiled sugar in. This is one of the pot them again, peeps. Akeem, you need to take a picture of them here. So peeps, this is one of the pot them. History at its greatest. Look at the picture. Voilà. So peeps, how much it? Oh, you have it. So peeps, this is the next part of the house, if you notice. Like there was a step. Honestly guys, I don't know what this is, but this is from the construction. And over here, this is the next piece of the building. Oh, whoa, jeez, yo, hey, tougher. Do you know that? I never see this before. Peeps, you don't want to see what I find. I'm not even showing it yet. Like, yo. You have to show them from top to you, but I want to show them on the top. Peeps, this, come on. Peeps, this is the Shelley Castle Great House. Who find it? Look here. Jano. Hey, now to go inside. Hold on. Peeps, this a piece of the sugar plantation thing, you know, you zoom in on this. This a piece of the sugar plantation, the gear wheel where them used to use for the sugar plant. Can't find see this, no? Piece of the gear wheel, peeps. And, yo! Hey, we find this, peeps. We find the next. Hey. Eh? Yeah, because if you look up here, you realize that this was like a balcony. Guys, we find the Shelley Castle, the 17th century Spanish building where them built to fight against the Maroons. And look on it now. Oh God, man, we find it. Peeps, me never know would I find this in such a good condition. Watch out. Akeem, come to the building, bro. People living there. Peeps, this a window, you say, you know? And window and door over here, say, you know, peeps. We find it. Look on the construction, peeps. Jano. Yo. Akeem, you need to come in and just get everything, yo, bro. The corner of the wall, them, up there, so. Peeps, you see? All them board there. This is not a board, it's a concrete. A board, man. How that last so long? Guys, we find it. This is the Shelley Castle, Spanish castle. We call it the Shelley Castle Great House, but it's actually a Spanish castle. And if you notice, guys, this was built totally different from all of the construction them will find. I mean, it's stones and mortar, but it's different from all of the construction them will find. And then we are going on the front and let you guys see the front of the building. I'm gonna feel like me I walk right there, so Akim, you have the camera, you have to walk with me. I'll hold it right there, so don't drop in there. Peeps, this is next side of the construction. I'm not sure what was here, but this look like one room right here, so peeps. You see me? And Janu, this is something. I'm not say it in a pristine condition, but it has been well kept by nature. Because you can see the entrance to the rooms. Watch out. Yo, them board there, peeps, and back in the days, them heavy, you know, what kind of tree them come out? This come like it's a whole tree, you know. Heavy. And look on the construction. Janu. Peeps, watch out. This board, that piece of board there, peeps, they have more than 100 years, peeps. And I can't block it. I can walk on it and nothing. This is another Spanish structure. And it goes to show because you see it's strong. So we found it. And we'll take some picture and get it documented and all of that, peeps. But there's another piece down there where we have to get footage from that. Alright, so we'll get some footage from the other piece, the steps and all of that up to the upstairs, because this is just the lower section. Alright, this is like a basement. They had built, gone up in the air because they want to overlook the river. So yeah. So we'll get some picture, get the steps and all of that and get it documented. Alright, people? Yeah, man. So peeps, these are the steps. So I told you guys that that was the lower section. Alright, so these are the steps leading up to the first floor. That one next step. Alright, now take that one. This is a step, guys, leading up to the first floor. And after this step, we still have that step right there going up. So that is the first floor, guys. You understand? I would have said the second floor. But for those guys, it was the first floor because that was the basement under there. You couldn't see nothing from the basement out on the river, so that wasn't considered necessary. The second floor, where you could see on the river, that was what was considered necessary. Guys, we can't go up here so still, because I must say black out by nature. But I guess the top of it was board. Wood, for that matter, because them build with some strong with the Spanish. Them know the type of trees of use and create them structures. So there's another step here. As I notice, it built like a real, yo, them people are rich. There's another step here going down. Maka this, you know? So guys, we come back to the front of the building. This is just the first floor. So for the last vlog in St. Thomas, I guess we found it. We found what we were actually looking for. This is the Shelley Castle, the Spanish castle. And the reason why these castles were not listed, them they talk one different language. And all of that changed under the Queen. So since England had taken control of Jamaica, we started to speak English. So most of these castles that were recorded on those maps, them are just thrown away or something. Them just become irrelevant after the English taking over. So that is the reason why we haven't got the Spanish history of St. Thomas. So guys, this just goes to show that, I don't know, it wasn't listed in our history. So all of that history that we had learned from 1831 coming up, I don't think it's real. because we are finding buildings from the 14th, 15th, from the 16th century. You understand? I'm not even talking about the 17th century. I have to find buildings older than the 14th century. So there's a lot that has not been told in regards to our history here in St. Thomas, in the parish of St. Thomas, in the country, Jamaica, in the Caribbean. Until then, guys, I am Alex. Bless.
Yeah, peeps. Like an apple, them I'm looking. No, they don't look still good. Like some apple. See, same thing, apple. I'm gonna tell you what's good lady over there, no peeps. So you think about that? Alexa eat apple there. Alexa eat apple. Tough run here. Go about in business.
A nice tea bush. This is a part of the construction. Now these people, because they had the fortress up on the hill, them actually have a wall where them run alongside. Go up there so. So hit the river washway, and now we are standing on a part of that wall. Now more tell me say the wall is one powerful wall, you know. The wall is more sturdier than the walls that were made on the house. Them really have to protect themselves because them don't want the maroon them running upon them. You see them people are covered door peeps. But anyway, a wall is over there that we think is the water wheel, because every house back in the days, it's just like having electricity. It's just like having electricity. You had to have a water wheel so that you could get current, electricity, or if you get water pump in your place. So I guess the walls for the water wheel was right there. But guys, we're kind of low on memory. So we're gonna be returning to this site because this is an interesting site. A Spanish castle. It's the second one that we have found. We found a Spanish great house. We found a Spanish castle up in Wakefield. We found a German great house. But this is the one, the most fundamental one that we have found with so much information. And you can try search me out. Good tea bush. Yeah, peeps, so we are looking for the Alan Great House and we end up down in our farm, like seriously, one potato and cassava farm. You see me? Me don't know we end up down here, so peeps. But anyway, I think it's on the other road, so we'll come back out and go around for our next road, yeah? I do not have a crazy story to tell. Like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica. Yeah, guys, the road I rub hard, peeps. You can't pay really. I can't drive from what other people drive. Because most truck it look like coming in, so I have to middle the lane. So that's what I can rub. Yeah. So we reached the Allen Estate. We passed the Allen Great House. I shown you that, but I see two columns down in front of me like a gatepost or two angels or something like that. And I'm showing you that, peeps. But first, let me show you the Allen Estate. Big. These are the Allen Estate peeps. Nesoro Park. That's the community way over there. It's the Allen Estate with the pan peeps. Alright? Yeah man. So it's down where we're going, it seems that there's a fire being burnt. A big jungle fire down here, so you know peeps. I'm going to show you. But I go down to the column them. It look like two Freemasons column. Now that I reach closer. But I'm going to show you that peeps. Alright? Yeah man. So guys, these are the columns guys. And it seems to have been two graves. I'm not sure, but we're going to look on them because we haven't ever seen anything like this before. Alright peeps, it's not a grave. It's not a grave guys. It seems like where they collected water. Yeah? Guys, this seems like where they collected water back in the days, peeps. Or a drawbridge or something like that. A bridge that drew up. But guys, and I see history at its greatest. We snap a pic. There's a fire burning in the background. That's why I hear them think the bamboo them are pop peeps. Alright, so this is a part of our history. If you notice guys, these are metal, iron. Alright, so there we go. And here also. So it seems to have been a bridge guys of some sort. Not sure what it was. But it was a bridge guys. Alright. So there's another race running from there, going down. So this is an old bridge guys. I'm not sure where this bridge ran, but there's a river down there. So most likely the bridge, this was the entrance to the plantation guys. Alright, yeah man. Metal columns. Metal columns guys. Alright, so we're moving on peeps. We're moving on to the great house now. Let's see what we see. Alright, come on. So I'm fine river in the morning, so I'm fine. No what's no over there. Yes, none. Alright. Guys, river down there guys. Real swimming river, wanna see it clean? I don't know the alligator them there, daddy. Come in. Come in, ready. There's a bridge, the guys, the next columns of the bridge are over there, peeps. Alright, so it was a bridge running across this river. I'm not sure why, but it's a long time. It look like after the plantation, peeps. Alright, so there are the columns over there. It look like the house all over there, so we're not sure. So we'll move on. Yeah guys, that is the fire over there. I'm not sure. It looks to me like a building, you know, is over there, but I'm going to zoom in and look. No, that's not a building. Daddy, I know one building, that's fire. Peeps, there's a fire raging over there, guys. Yeah, man, over on the next side of the river. But we're going to move on to the great house now, peeps, and we're going to show you that. We can't wait down here and make the fire block way up down here. Alright, so, yeah, we'll move on. This is the road going down further. I'm not sure if there's anything else down here, but we'll walk and look still. Father say I explore and look, so I follow him. Fire over there, peeps. Nothing more than up on the bank, you know. You notice the bank narrow? Yeah. Come in, ready. Hey, you come in like me now, you love search. Peeps, the river. Wait, can I go down there? Alligator egg that, not daddy. This is the river, guys. The Plantain Garden River. Alright. Yeah, man. Nice river. Would I go in night, you know, I'm not lie. Would I go in night? Ready? Alright, peeps, so we're moving on to the great house now. I'm going to show you that, so now follow me. It's a cassava field, you know, peeps. Big up to the farmer who are planting cassava here. A whole heap of cassava this, you know, peeps. A whole heap of bambi this, you know. A whole heap of red stripe beer too, you know. You see that? Be a cassava. Let's see how far apart. Up there we go. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys the great house. I'm going to show you our next structure and one next structure. I'm going to show them all about, but I'm going to show you those guys, and information will be on screen about these structures. Alright, follow me.
best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is.
Yeah, peeps, so I'm gonna be showing you a part of the house right now, and the piece that has been burned down. We have like 3 different structures in one place to look at. Alright, so let me start with this one. Alright guys, so peeps, this is one of the structures. This seems to have been the slave quarters, because the house is further up. I'll show you the house also, but this seems to have been the slave quarters, and now it's a farm, guys. We can't walk. See peeps, yeah man, stone, original stone construction here. So this seems to have been the slave quarters. I think that there was a lot of other constructions here, but they were broken down to facilitate farming. Alright, yeah man, so see that again peeps. Guys, another house was over here, but it was actually burnt down. That's part of the construction, guys. Alright. Here peeps, this is a part of the construction. See there? This is part of the walls, but it was burnt down back then. Alright, so yeah, we're going to the great house now. As we actually reach another part of the road now where there's a bridge onto the plantation, but it's been blocked by a tractor. I'll show you that. Alright. This is the river again, guys. You feel like I saw the alligator in there. This is the bridge, guys. Yeah. But it's been blocked by a tractor, so we can't go over this. But anyway, guys, the building is right up there. I'm going to show you guys the building. So this is the bridge. You take a pic. Yeah, so peeps, we are showing the great house now, guys. Like, yeah, I'm kind of excited now. But show me the past it already, peeps. But let me show you all this, alright? Structure right here, guys. Yeah? So we'll move up to the great house now. The plantation house, the estate house, peeps. See it here? Can you imagine, guys, how this was back in the days? When you look upon this. Yeah, guys, so this is the estate house, guys, the Holland estate. Yeah? Yeah, peeps, this is the Holland estate. I will finally find it. Yeah, peeps. This was the great house for this estate. And it was a very, very large house, guys. It gone all the way back up. But I'm going to show you guys some of this from the front also. Alright. You see it, Bill, peeps? You see that? All the way up. Yeah, peeps. So I'm going to, like piece more the person, go through the farm. Yeah, guys, here's another piece of the house. Like, seriously? What is that? Yeah, guys, like, we find it at the wall of the house in a piece more there, so piece there, so this was a very big house, guys. If you look down there, so there's a piece down there, so yeah, I want to see this right here, so and then there's a next piece up there. Like, seriously, people, you don't know how to find it, guys. This is the Holland Great House. You never know how to find it. Today. Picture. Yeah, guys, this is the Holland Great House. Yeah, go in there, Daddy. Eh? Come on. You know the house there, no? One tunnel down there, no? Guys, there's a tunnel. There's a tunnel down there. Let me show you all this. Smell like somebody a cook. See it, peeps? There's a tunnel down there, guys. Inside of the house. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. There's also column under there. I straight, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, guys, this is from the front. Alright. And this is the other side of the building now, guys. It's very large, peeps. This was a living This was a living quarters, guys. But that over there, sir, that was reserved for the slave master. The side that we just saw. Alright, so here, peeps, you find it. This is the Island Great House. And then we still have a next piece out there to look at. We still have piece more for showing, you know, the entrance, you know. There's a big house out on the entrance, guys. Yeah, guys, this is the house. We'll find it. The Island Great House is actually found and documented by Elite Jamaica. And type Elite Jamaica in the comment section down below if you confirm that, alright? That's inside, peeps. Yeah? The board them still there, you know, guys. Let me see board them. Years and I'm still there here. So guys, no matter what we're going to Jamaica, you know, we still have to find the Great House them. And yeah, this is the Island Great House, found and documented by Elite Jamaica. Alright. Yeah, man. You see something else, Daddy? Gully? Oh. Water wheel supply. Oh, that was down there, so them supply the water from, you know, peeps. Because the gully was right here, so that was where they supply the water from. I guess the water mill was right there also, that's why it was so much cold, but underneath the ground. Alright, so we'll go back out on the main road now. Yeah, peeps. Go back out on the main road. This piece of building up there, sir. That's out on the front, man. But we have a piece out on the front. But this is a brick we walk on the building. We walk on building, peeps. Look at this, guys. This is another piece of the construction right here, guys. Shout out to Daddy. I am just showing me this. And type Daddy in the comment section down below. This is another piece of the construction. So the building, it was all over here. Yeah? All over the place, guys. And I see like, I see piece more down here, so. Jeez. Guys, piece more down here, so, you know. The house, the big peeps. This is another piece of the house. Yeah? This is another piece of the house, guys. There's another tunnel down here to peeps. Yeah, guys, that's it from there. These are some very heavy columns. Yeah? We don't know why Jamaicans or Americans left going to Egypt go research history when it's right here. Alright. Yeah. This is another column here, guys. Another tunnel going under there, peeps. Alright. I see one under there. I see what I can show one under there. Alright. I'm flip the camera some more, guys. Yeah, look now. See that, peeps? Yeah? Can you see it? Alright. So we'll search for the next entrance, guys. Yeah? All of this here was part of the construction, guys. All of this was part of the construction. I'm gonna know where the next tunnel come out, but I really do think, guys, that it runs up to the next piece of construction that we see up at the entrance. Alright, so I'm gonna show you that, guys. My father gone for the car, so I'm gonna go back out on the road and meet him out here. So and there's still more building up top, guys, so I'm gonna show you that also. Yeah, peeps. So this was a very interesting find. I've shown a piece more construction of the Great House right now. Now watch this, guys. Now we've got more construction here, guys. Yeah? we've got more construction here leading down to the next part of the great house. This is a part of the column, you know, peeps. Alright, so you know the tunnel them run come right up back up here, so. Alright, yeah man, me take a picture of this. Yeah peeps, this is the columns, guys. So the tunnel is running underground right back up. Phone battery run low enough, peeps, but you know that gonna have to catch this. Yeah, so the tunnel is running underground coming right up. So I have to go find where the tunnel end up. Yeah, guys, this is more construction from the house. Since we're on a road right now, because this is one side and that is one side over there, guys. But I can't go through this, so peeps, so I'm gonna walk around and see where it leads. Yeah. So guys, that's the column under there, guys. Yeah, that's the gutter under there. I'm not sure where the tunnel a while ago lead, but it should have run and come up back. But because these places have been what do I call it, dilapidated over the years, so therefore we can't really find the trace evidence to know where what was, you know. But yeah guys, I think we reached to the end of the road. This is a barbed wire fence. We can't cross it, so I'm gonna turn back, meet my father. Yeah peeps. Yeah. Yeah guys, so that's the tunnel again. And that's the bridge. Seems like that was the driving road originally to get to the plantation down there. Alright, so I think we have more structures to see, but there's piece out on the road, guys. I'm showing you that piece out on the road. Alright, yeah man. So now follow me. Yeah peeps, and now I'm going to show you the first entrance to the great house. This is our next building, our next site, but first I see something curious. I see one tree with one hole in it. I'm showing you that peeps. Watch this. Yeah guys, so this is the tree, guys. There's a hole inside of the tree, yeah? I don't know what the up top, I'm showing you what the up top. Now look and tell me. Alright, so yeah peeps, that's the tree, guys. So now I'm gonna show you the building, guys, the rest of the building. I left the car because my father can't drive, so I'm have to go drive, come up. This is the rest of the building, guys. Yeah peeps, this seems to have been the first entrance. This seems to have been the building at the entrance of the estate. And look guys, like seriously, this is amazing. Yeah, all the way up there. And we have down here, guys, in the here, and we have around here. This seems to have been a step. Yeah, it's a step going up there, up to the second floor. Yeah peeps, you see it. Yeah guys, I'm not sure what this building was, but I will let you guys know as soon as the video is being updated. Alright, so yeah guys, that's the step right there. This is the rest of the building here. Then we have over here this section. Yeah peeps, I'm not sure what that piece of iron there was for. And then we have over here the next piece of iron in the middle of the room again. Not sure what that was for, guys. But yeah, we'll move around to the next side. And there's another piece of iron in this room. Yeah, you see the bricks, guys. But it seems someone has taken over this place to farm or plant flowers. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna touch that. Yeah guys, so this is the front of the building. peeps, there seems to have been a step right here. Yeah, a step that went upstairs, up on top of the building, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, and it seems there was another building over there, but we're not get to go over there, so still peeps. Alright, so this is the one we're focusing on. Alright. We have another entrance right here, guys. Yeah. Then we have the back of the building. Yeah, peeps. So this was a house. This was actually a house, guys. Yeah. From back then, this was the head of the plantation. If you notice the gate post them outside, peeps. See the gate post them there? Yeah. We're gonna walk through them right now. Them are the gate column, the brick walls there, peeps. I think this was a great house, you know, guys. See it? So guys, I really think this was the great house. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So we're moving on. Peeps, so I see some more building, and father said, "No, come now and get shot." But I have to show you these guys. Like there was another house over here, so let me show you this, guys. Alright. Yeah, peeps, and I see that column there, so yeah, that's another column of the house, guys. And then we'll go over here, so now. That's one of the buildings, guys. And then we have another right here. You see it? This was part of a great house, you know, peeps. See there? Yeah, peeps, that was part of a great house. Yeah, guys. The next column over there. Yeah, peeps, so we move along. Just hope no one is here. Yeah, guys, so see the peeps. Like it was a storage area, guys. Yeah. And then we have around here. This is slavery construction, just the very same. We have here going around here and so on a while ago, I nearly run. Yeah, peeps. This was part of the great house, as you notice the columns, but someone has built here. So yeah, we're up on private property. But guys, you see that over there, so? Like seriously? And these buildings, that building was reconstructed to turn into a warehouse, as you notice the construction, no? And then we have this right here, yeah? So, we're moving on. So that building, guys, was storage for grain and stuff like that. Alright? Yeah, man. So moving on, peeps. That's the other building right there, guys. Alright, let me show you a look around here before my battery go dead. Because somebody out there so my father keep them busy. Here, peeps. This is the construction that was a part of the column, guys. Yeah? Coming across. And we have this right here. And then that over there, very interesting piece of architecture, guys. Yeah, very, very interesting piece of architecture right here. You see that, peeps? So my father keep somebody busy while we get the film. Yeah, I'm not sure what is inside here, guys, but we're in our warehouse. This is scary. Yeah, I'm gonna look around us and see what around us, guys. Alright. Yeah, peeps. This is another room right here. That's the back of the construction there. And this is another room down here. Yeah. So now I go back up further. Now hear one sound, guys. I don't know what. But now I can look and try showing it before then find out. So guys, as you notice, this was part of the construction. This was part of the older construction right here, guys. Yeah. About my own, so this was part of the construction. Yeah. So we'll move back forward. Go back. It seems like the weird pigs are on here, guys. Water is right there. That's water right there, guys. I'm gonna walk back on this. Looks like the weird pigs here. So I'm in case I get out of that place. Yeah, peeps. But this was part of the construction, guys. Yeah. This round here, I'm not sure what this was, but this seems to have been a well, guys. This was a well. This was indeed a well. You notice it's circle and all of that. This was indeed a well. Alright. So if you notice over there, guys, that was part of the great house, guys, that actually is built on right now. This are from great house days. Alright. Yeah, man. So we're moving forward, guys. Further out, so I talk to somebody. Yeah. Keep them occupied. Seem the peeps, ma keep them active, peeps. Yeah. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you reach this point in the video, type great house in the comment section down below. Alright guys, look out for the next video, which will be sent on the Edinburgh Castle, Castle of Doom. Alright peeps, thanks for